Hi. Hello, I'm back. Okay, so we're gonna finish our uni 9, lesson 6. Okay, so let's go back here. So teacher is going to let's go back here. 刚刚的 OK, so we find 我做了一个几个 ch 的音，再加强你的印象。Okay, so the first girl, what does 如果不看的话，你有看到你要说 what does she has? So 你要说 she has a cheese, tomato, sandwich. Okay, alright. 所以我们来做一个练习。Okay, so boy 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, who has a pear? So you're gonna say number 2, right? Because your box has a pear. That will be C, right? Okay. Number 2, girls number 2 has a pear. You should 你看到的是 lunchbox，你要回答 girl number 2. Okay. Now, who has a cheese sandwich? Cheese sandwich. So it's 1, 2, 3. Which one? Is boy is number 3. Okay. Who has a drink? Is whose drink is water? So it's C. So it's girl number 2. Okay. 再一个练习。Who has a cheese and tomato? I'm sorry. Who has a pear and a cookie? A pear and a cookie. A pear and a cookie is lunchbox C. So lunchbox C will be girl number 2. Okay. So we done with the practice. 下次我们在线上上课的时候，teacher会再讲解一遍。All right. So 因为我不能放 listening，所以我们就一起来念我们的 listening。所以我替大家准备好了 listening。不见了。OK，so 让我把它打开。So is the track number is 110. 110. 110. 看到了。110在这里。Okay. So it's page 77. So you have this. 我们来看一下我们的 page 77. Page 77. So you're going to listen and check. So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 lunch boxes. Okay, and then you're going to listen which lunch box, and have what kind of food. Okay, so we have the first one is the orange. What is number 2? Juice. 3 is a cheese and tomato sandwich. And number 4 is cherries. Number 5, a pear. Number 6 is an egg. Okay, number 6, 7 is an apple. And next one is grapes. 不清楚 grapes， 但是你课本有，你要打开来看。Alright, so we're going to read together. Okay, go. 在这里，把它 highlight 起来。就不要这个，我们要 highlight。好，不行，来。I have a red lunchbox. What's 你可以看你的课本听我念哦。What's a red lunchbox? And what's in my lunchbox? Let's see. In my lunchbox, I have a sandwich, and I have some cherries, and I have a drink of pineapple juice. Okay, so number 2, we're gonna do blue lunchbox. Ready, go. My lunchbox is blue. Look inside. I have an egg. I have a pear. I don't have a drink today. So I have an egg. I have an egg, and I have a pear. One more. So this is supposed to be your answer. Okay. All right. Now let's go back here. 继续 number 3. I have a purple lunchbox. Let's see what's in it. I have some grapes, and I have 8. I have an apple, and I have some grapes. Do it again. I have a purple lunchbox. Let's see what's in it. I have an orange. That's good. That's good. I have an apple, and I have some grapes, and I have 8 grapes. So apple and grapes, that's all we have. Apple, apple, apple. Where is apple? Let's do apple and grapes one more time. Okay, so we're done with this. All right, so we are going to, I need to look at the time. 那我要看时间，我就要把它放回大屏幕。Okay, so 我们再来念一次。1, 2, 3, go. I have a red lunchbox. 跟着我的手念。What's in my lunchbox? Let's see. In my lunchbox, I have a sandwich. I have some cherries, and I have a drink of pineapple juice. Number 2. I have lunchbox. My lunchbox is blue. Look inside. I have an egg, and I have a pear. I don't have a drink today. Look at number 3. I have a purple lunchbox. Let's see what's in it. I have an orange. That's good. And I have an apple, and I have some grapes. Okay. 应该有同学说 Teacher, 你的 orange 没有点 Yes, I forgot this orange. Okay, we good. Now, look at the picture again, and 你可以写这样子，就是倒回来写。所以我已经给你答案了。所以第一题你说 I have an egg. I have a pear. What color is my lunchbox? So my lunchbox is blue. 所以你这个要写句子。OK？ 陈一遍 ，All right？ 然后写在哪里 ？You write on the notebook. Okay? So here, I have, what is that? I have a drink, I have a sandwich, and I have cherries. So 你看这里是要写 cherries, E-R-R-I-E-S, 你不能加 no okay? But here you have to do a drink. 是不是 Okay. Now, very good. So this is the homework. 好，那我们来准备。今天我们的最主要的要学的就是 a and m. So teacher 的这个 a e i o u 你有忘记吗？这个母音 a e i o u a e i o u. Okay. All right. So this is a cookie. So I'm going to write the answer with you. Number 2, I have an apple. Correct. I have 这对你们都太简单了，但是要会念得好。I have an umbrella. Umbrella. Yeah, umbrella. No, umbrella. Okay. Good. And this is 刚刚我讲 cap 就是 hat 记得吗 Okay, number 5. And this is a sandwich. And I don't have an egg. Okay, so we finish our student book now. 各位，你们要把 你们要把你们的 workbook 写好的要照相传给我，我才知道你完成。所以等一下，今天是礼拜五，一定要记得把那个 workbook 礼拜三的 workbook 的功课给我。我们还有一样东西要做。Okay. Now go open your student book to Unit 1. Unit 9, Lesson 1. Unit 9, Lesson 1. Okay, so we need to read this and answer the question, okay? So what time is it? What time is it? 你的答案是什么？ It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime. Who doesn't have his lunch? Who doesn't have his lunch? 不是 his, 是 her lunch. Who doesn't have her lunch? Okay. Rosie doesn't. 所以你要把 who 改成 Rosie. 这个问句是问你谁，所以你要说 who. Rosie doesn't have a lunch. Okay. Who has an apple and a banana? Who has an apple and a banana? I don't know who the girl is. What is her name? Okay. 你要把她名字找出来。A girl. A girl has. 如果你找不出来，你就写 A girl has an apple and a banana. What does Rosie have for lunch? 要看第四个 picture. Okay. So 你就把它写出来啊。She has 10 sandwiches and 你就把它写出来 ，OK。所以如果我把这个答案给你的时候，你要回答我有限，你就把它删掉就好了。你可以回传给我 ，OK。Number 4, what does Rosie have for lunch? What does Rosie have for lunch? 这一题是多余的，这一题是多余问的，所以我们要把它删掉，就不用了。OK， 你如果拿到的时候，第4题就不用做。OK， look at the picture and tell teacher what you use I have. Use I have. Okay, I have a lunchbox, and here I have a sandwich. You can say I have a cheese and tomato sandwich. 因为课本是这样写。这里是 I have a drink. I have drinks. 这里是 I have apples. I have an apple. I have an apple. Sorry. I have an apple. 句点要记得 in this one, I have a cookie. Okay. Alright. So 这个是你回去要当功课做的。然后呢，我们来看一下我们今天的联络簿。Okay, everyone, you have 4, 5, 6, and then 我们做的 worksheet 是从我们的 lesson 1的 story 再复习的 ，OK？ 然后 Unit 9， 请你听2遍 ，4, 5, 6录音一定要录。哎，我发现我中文打得很好。4, 5, 6， 那我们下次礼拜3的时候，我们的 quiz， 我们就要请你做 U8 quiz， 然后我们下次见面的时间是 Google Meet， 它程式叫 Google Meet， 请家长协助一下。那我们视讯是星期三1点半开始 ，OK？ 我到时候会传链接给你们，所以你只要知道这个时间就好了，1点半 ，OK？ 我在礼拜2的时候会传链接给你们。So everybody, that's it. Goodbye. I see you next time.